Why does a woman need breast lift surgery? What are the problems she faces that lead to breast lift surgery? Why would a woman want to do any surgery if the breasts are sagging? So let's discuss this very, very important point. As a woman, I think one of the most important things that you see every day in the morning in the mirror are your breasts. And if your breasts are not perky, sitting up, then I think you feel sad. Do you know there are modern techniques available that you can have a breast which is sitting up and you don't even need to wear a bra? You can go just like that, just hide the nipples with pasties. You can actually go out without a bra. You can move around the house without it. So why do you need a breast lift surgery? One, due to pregnancy, the breast has fallen down. Due to weight loss, the breast has fallen down. You've had a breast implant surgery previously, and with time, the implant has pulled the breast down. But what happens? Why do you need it? So what? The biggest reason that patients tell me is their own confidence. They don't feel great. They feel shattered when they see breasts which are hanging down. They can't wear the clothes of their choice. Their partners don't like their breast. They don't like their breast. They don't feel confident in intimacy with those breasts. I've had women telling me that they force that lights are switched off in the room before getting intimate with their partner because they don't want them to see their breasts. What can be more sad than that? I mean, imagine the most important part of your body and you don't want to see it. So how long can you continue to live like that? Well, if it's fine, great. But if it's not, what are you doing about it? All you're doing is using bras to pull it up, giving you all that pain and torture. Is that the answer? No, absolutely not. I don't agree with it. But you are scared of surgery. Suppose I tell you that such a surgery only takes less than 3 hours and I'll send you home the same day. We have these ultra modern techniques of dual plane breast lift surgery which can dramatically transform your breast to an extent that you will want to see your breast every day morning. Imagine from a situation where you don't even want to see them to wanting to see them every day morning. Wanting that your partner sees them. Wanting to buy the best dresses because now you have a cleavage. You don't have it now. You've always wanted it, I know that. You've always wanted it, but you didn't. Now I'm giving you the opportunity to have it for lifetime. So take that step, take that bold step and go for this amazing surgery of dual plane breast lift surgery. I promise you the breast of your life.